See me now. My papa get money well. My papa get millions. I supposed to be on for on top everything what they do. But now see me. Life don't turn me to me go stand they fight. They fight for myself. Let it be my fate. I won't make am for this life. Anything way you go do to me to make am, I go make am. I won't disappoint those people who say I no go make am. Say nothing good go come out from my pocket, come out. Anytime when I put hand for pocket, say nothing good go come out. I won't disappoint people. Only the catchy. You have a choice, so you have no choice. Me, I go make am. I die to make am. Instead, the way I go be poor. I no go die poor. God I beg. I no go die poor at all. I must make am.
Madam, where did they go?
Open the gate.
Trambi, where did they go? We know they do that kind of work again. See, for this arsenal, before you go anywhere, you go first declare your location to avoid any nonsense. So where did they go?
If you don't open this gate right now, I swear to God, I'm going to blow your heads off. Open the gate!
You go shoot me. No verse in there. Oh, give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. You kill yourself. You get American people, when no they even take time, they don't shoot bomb. Now you go begin to teach the new style of your which year work. For how much? Now they go kill me here. I better go. No, no come back again, Me will not get second-hand value. Now you want use test gun where you bring from America. I beg go and there.
There is something strange about Flora that we are yet to find out.
But I've been monitoring her. I've not seen anything strange about her.
I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What did happen for here? What did they do for my land? What did happen here? What did happen for here? What did happen for here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What did they do for my land? What did happen for here? Huh?
I thought you guys told me that this land belongs to you.
It's our land. It's my land. It belongs to us. The land is ours. And this person, see, let me tell you, don't listen to this. This is a popular madman in this village. Once you give us this money now, this land becomes your own. Automatically. 100%. What are you saying?
See guys, this is money we are talking about.
Bring it.
Before I make any payment, I need to be sure who owns this land.
It's our land. I don't want No, my guy. Udoka, make you carry your money go. They want to do you for 1 night. They want to do you for 1 night.
Don't worry, he's too small to make trouble with me. I will finish it.
Come on. Take time, you go take time,
Dekachi, let me tell you, if this young man Udoka fails to buy this land, I will deal with you till you forget the road through which
you're not going to do anything. You're not fit to one. You be God. You be God. No wonder my man they tell me make I follow here. Is it this way you do? Now God will not punish you. Wait. Now go punish you. You want now you get him.
Dekachi, you are challenging
now
me.
you get him. I ask you.
You are challenging me on my own land.
Okay, Yaruana.
On my own land.
Which land?
Dekachi.
Which land did they ask you?
You are challenging me. By the time I finish with you, in this village, by the time I finish with you,
Person we no go school na pokwa chananya. Imanonye na galo school na pokwe wananya no. Maka no wela no. Such a person you no get him out. The mother na ibe nike o. Joy, person we no go school na pokwa chananya.
What you will find for all? Don't come for
You know, get eye.
So, Abi, you know they see us. Finally, you don't lose your manners. You don't put your manners for inside the dirty. Abi, so you want to walk past us without greeting us? We are not too little for you.
Imagine.
I person penaya go. We am wow go back it time. Okay. E be like say this thing wey una dey smoke. You dey high on Abi. You dey high on Abi.
Yeah, okay. Where you? Sit down here. Sit down.
I go check and kill it. Tupulane. It be like say you know get. Let this guy now. If you fuck up, you collect. If you fuck up, you collect.
Dikachi, who did this to you? From the team, I don't listen. Team, I carry influence all of them. They smoke you go for roads. They make me beat me. What did you do to them? I don't do anything, no. Because I see them from our papa land. They carry people come here, one tell them. I tell the person go one buy and say make you don't buy and say na my papa land. You don't finish on what you do. I just go my own. They stop me, begin beating me. Say who tell me make a tell person go one buy the land, make you no buy them. See my body, see my body.
Dekachi, how many times have I told you not to fight those people over the issue of land?
Uncle, why you go to make I sit down, person go collect my papa? You only like the way remain, make I sit down, make it collect them. Now what you tell me?
It's not what I'm saying, but you see, concentrate on your life, building a better future for yourself. You will soon have many portions of land for you.
I'm not saying that you don't have a right over your father's land. But what I'm saying is that that wicked uncle, that's your wicked uncle, will kill you with his wicked powers. You're not going to do anything. You're not going to do anything. You're not going to do anything. Oh, look at it all over you. Huh?
Whoever invented this, well, why are you breathing like a lizard that fell down from the Iroko tree 1 mile up?
Papa, could you believe that the Kachi fought us today?
Dikachi? Hey! No. What gave him the impetus, the propensity, in fact, the audacity to fight you?
Papa, don't just worry yourself. That guy must be high on something. But today, we taught him the biggest lesson of his life. We taught him the biggest lesson of... He will never forget the lesson we taught him today. If you see him, you will not even recognize him again.
Now, hold on. Look, with this up of you, I hope you rearrange his dental formula.
Papa, you know, see, this hand is meant for the arrangement. Yes. Papa, I knocked out all his teeth from A to Z. Papa, I'm very sure that he's on his way now to the emergency ward.
Okay.
Go there for doctor.
We
dealt with him.
What stupid impetuosity. No.
Yes, impetuosity.
I know what to do.
Yes, Papa, do something. No?
That boy?
Papa, told him like I know.
No. Come on, sir.
We just finished fighting.
Did I send you to fight?
Papa, I know.
Get out of here.
I went to see a friend.
I called Brian and he said you were not in his place.
But he's not the only friend I have. Are you monitoring that?
Flora, you've been acting strange lately. Is there anything you're not telling me?
I'm confused, Daddy. Why are you asking me that? Wait. Okay. So I think you are actually thinking wildly.
Me, your father, thinking wild. Are you alright?
Then why are you suspecting me?
I'm only being a father.
I don't get it, Mom. I don't like this. Why are you people suspecting me in this house? What do you think I am doing? I'm hungry?
Why would you say that? Did I say anything wrong?
Isn't it obvious? You both have been monitoring me.
No. I only thought you went to see that guy after your father warned you not to.
Really? And what if I had gone to see him? What if I actually went to see him, Mommy? Is he not a human being? Mommy, that guy is seriously struggling. He deserves something from us. I mean, financial help.
Wow. You sounded as if you read my mind. Yes, he needs some financial help. I will talk to your dad about that.
That's my point.
We need to give him some money.
Exactly.
Even if he doesn't know what to do with it, the earth will bear us witness that we rendered help to him. And was that where you were coming from?
Mom, Joseph, your questions are going to make me fall.
Please be careful, my
We're done with this, please. Later.
Be careful. Calm down. Flora.
Person wey no go school na pokwa ncha n'anya o. Ịma na onye na-agala school na pokwa ịwa n'anya n'oyi. Maka na onwela no, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ife n'ike o.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. I like your fish.
You like my fish?
Yes.
No problem. I give you fish, but he go bite you. You wait, I go house. I roast and I bring her for your house.
It's okay. Thank you, we're fine.
What they do you? Eh? Why you hate me? Since the primary school you hate me. You no good now. Eh? Since small boy you just talk like my fish. You tell him he thank you. Say you won't carry and they go. You no good now. Eh? Me and your papa. You be my papa. I call your house every day. He teach small boy if I talk, he say thank you or you go. You no good now.
Because I don't hate you. And I would never hate you. Please.
You don't hate me. For primary school, you say I useless. So I know be anything. No be right because you don't go school. You don't study book well. Me I useless. You know me I fisherman. You go school you work. So why you no hate me? He hate me now. The word yourself he hate me. Me I no surprise. He hate me.
Dekashi, that's a long time ago. I don't hate you. Come on.
Mom, now you're smiling with him. Can I have the fish?
Will you keep quiet?
I tell her keep quiet. He say like, no worry, yeah. I go bring you to the fish. He bring her for you. You chop fish, yeah.
Thank you.
I go bring 5 fish. Only you chop a fish. No give anybody you.
Okay.
Person wey no go school na pokwa ncha n'anya o.
Hello.
Ịma na onye na-agala school na pokwa ịwa n'anya n'oyi. Maka na onwela no, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ife n'ike o. Person wey no go school na pokwa ncha n'anya no. Onye na-agala school na pokwa ịwa n'anya o. Maka na onwela no, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ife n'ike no.
What happened? Dekashi, why do you have bruises all over your body?
Fate.
Fate. I don't understand. What do you mean fate?
Fate, it happened to me.
Whatever. Well, my parents sent for you.
I no come your house at all. Oh. Your papa, he don't insult me well. I no come. Come, they give me menu.
Dekashi, it's quite unfortunate you've been in the hands of wrong people. But sorry. I want you to know that you have a good friend in me. I want you to be good. I want you to live your dream. Find your place in life and I will help you acquire it. I must not be your wife to help you. Alright? Here. Why are you crying? Sorry. It's okay. Everything is going to be alright.
I don't want your money. You see now, I don't do okay. Make you carry your money go. I don't want your money.
Dikachi, have it. Use it to treat yourself before coming to see them. Take. It's coming from my heart. Dikachi, take it. Take. See you.
Dikachi, what happened to you? Hey, see who I can talk to. Shebi, see finish, not be animal, be. If to say you never see me finish now, if I dey talk, you go dey listen to me because he gets small thing one for just tell you now. Dikachi, Deka.
What happened?
Good evening.
What happened?
Back.
Attack? Were you attacked by armed robbers?
My uncle, children, they blow me for here. See, blow me for here. Even here, my body.
What?
Because I tell them, land, my own land, to leave my land. That's all. Even the papa is no gree do anything for me. My papa land, he collect everything. The one remaining, I tell them, don't do it, don't fight don't walk my land. They blowing me. See everywhere.
This is so unfair.
See my.
This is so unfair.
See everywhere.
Someone has to teach these people a lesson. Let's go inside. I will make sure that I pay for this. Jesus.
Sorry.
I will teach them this.
Kachi, you mean your cousins did this to you?
Yes, Chief. They do this to me. Every time. They collect me. I no do anything to them. Oh. In that day, I come. You come for house here. My friends tedded me, say you comes. Me, I can't say I go come. Tell you. My uncle, every time, I don't drink water, drop cup. He fights me, quarreled me, every time. If I talk, my papa property, my papa leave for me. They go come to correct it. If I talk, they beat me. Why I talk? Who send me talk? Who I be talk? I don't do anything. Every time, I quarreled me. I don't do anything.
Honey.
That day, they fight me because I know greed. Before I talk, he give me one blow, 7 apples. See everywhere. See.
Honey, those people need to be taught a lesson. They are doing this to this boy because he has nobody to speak for him.
Are you going to allow me handle this issue? Eh? If you didn't need me to handle it, why did you invite me in the first place? You should have just handled it. His own uncle sold his brother's property. So, what do you want me to do about that?
But he sold these things illegally. Eh?
Am I a lawyer? Eh? Am I a lawyer? If you want to handle the issue, why don't you go and hire a lawyer so that you can handle, you can sue him? And you're working out on me, idiot! He went to drink water. No workout. Hi, Chief. I'm sorry, I don't want to make you and Mama quarreled because of me.
It's okay. It's okay.
Me, I don't want my cousin. I don't want problem. I just want, if I told you, you told my uncle, may they leave my property. Now that is the one thing me I get for arrive for my papa. May they leave it. May they leave it for me now.
It shows you are wise. I mean, for you to decide not to fight them. There is actually a difference between wisdom and literacy. You understand? So it's a good decision that you don't want to fight them. You understand? So now tell me, what can you do with 1 million naira?
1 million. I do Oboloko. I will do Oboloko. Oboloko from Boko. I say to Bende. Or machine parts.
Okay. Machine parts.
Okay.
Have you done this kind of business before? I mean, not the Oporoko one, I mean the machine parts one.
Actually, my friend, all of us go Okwe primary school. So me, I finished primary 2. Him, he finished primary 2. So they can't go Uruagu for Newu. Can they do machine passing? Uncle, they do machine passing for Uruagu Newu. So he told me, say machine pass, money there and well. So me, if I'm 1 million machine pass.
Okay. Machine pass.
Uruagu.
Okay. I've heard you. You can go. I will get back to you.
Okay, Chief.
So, Oporoko.
1 million is carry the money.
You mean to dive?
And machine pass.
Okay, to invest.
Vest. Okay. So me, I cater for myself.
Okay. So what you're saying in effect is, if I give you 1 million, you can invest it in
machine pass. Uruagu.
Okay. Not Oporoko. Okay. You see, the thing is, I like your idea. But,
thank you.
Illiteracy can be a problem, but it's okay. You can go now. I will get back to you.
Thank you.
So you can go.
Chief, your daughter, it is inside.
The gate is not locked. The gate man is actually there waiting for you.
Oh, gate. Okay. I don't see her upstairs.
Where is Mama? I think I'm hungry now. I want to... Can you imagine this? Oh God. You want to marry my daughter? A bloody illiterate that cannot express himself. Useless village goat. I don't blame you. Nonsense.
You say you want tell me something. What do you want to talk?
Now you know say you get what I want tell you. What be all these things for your body? Eh?
A massacre.
Massacre.
You say you want to talk something. Abi? Talk it, make I hear.
See guy, make I tell you, no be say I won't give you warning. You see, since where they come to you, where you go buy me one bottle, you go they form like saying one big thing they do. Since now where you no come they buy me beer again. No, just drink 2 bottles. If you go inside here, you go see 3 chilled bottles where they down. That one na to show you say God no go shame us, God no fit shame us for this life. So no they do anyhow. Anytime where you just see me buy me beer, it go be like say you kick out for me. See guy, we've been eating before the meeting, oh. Even without the meeting, we will still be eating, we still the chill. So no they always
talk that na be wetin you want talk.
Now one of the things why I want talk.
What talk? One of things. So wetin be the
main thing why I want talk?
Yes, wetin be the main thing?
Oh yeah, make I tell you the main thing. You see this house where they come.
I
no see any vision, no dream. You no get wetin I see for your body. Say you go come out from here, you no go get out come. You see that coat where they come here where you won't wear. If they no help you amend them, you no go enter you. It go be like it go be bogus. It go be.
What's the you the mad?
Don't tear this.
You the mad?
Now one this clothes.
You the mad?
Don't tear them.
Come. Talk rubbish. Me.
Come here. This pain now, not this injury for your body. No be person beat you. You don't see me now. He Kelly wala. Ne Kelly. Come on for here.
Come for here. Mad man.
Because say you be my friend, though. If not, you know go they come here.
Talk rubbish. The time he say he get
see your face. See your injury face. You go with me, oh. What did they worry you now? You want me want throw that punch? Just say that thing touch me now before. Go out now. Oh yeah, nonsense boy. And your life very important too. If not, they go kill you. They call you every time. They go kill you. Every time you go, just they enter here. Mama, he aguna chiga.
Kevin, I really love that girl. Yes, I do. I have not really loved anyone in this earth. Like, I love her.
Then what are you waiting for? You ought to have started doing something about it.
Oh yes, I heard she was betrothed to a guy when she was young.
What? Who does that these days?
Ma.
I mean, those things happen in the dark ages, not now.
My brother, why will it even happen? But nevertheless, I cannot afford to lose her to anyone. It's not possible.
Huh. So what are you going to do now?
My brother, you know me now. I am not going to give up at all. Even if it will cost me an arm and a leg, I won't give up. I will make sure I get her. I will fight for her love. She will be mine. And mine forever.
That is the spirit.
Mine forever.
You have to do something very fast. Because I can't wait to be your best man on that day.
Can't you tell why before you go to marriage? Of course, I will go.
I know you must surely get it.
Do you know if I will do it? Or do you even know if I will invite you now in my
Why
my
won't you
wedding?
invite me for your wedding?
You know, Ekego.
Nah, calm
Now
down.
we're here.
Calm down.
What do you think about that guy?
He's handsome, but he's below my class.
But it doesn't take much to move from one class to another.
Hello, Mommy. Are you saying that I should marry someone like that?
Look, don't look down on people. Let me tell you something. When I met your father, he was not rich at all. Until all of a sudden he met Dikachi's parents, who assisted him, and he became rich. Now, with a little assistance to this boy, I believe he will become something, and then we'll bring him to that class that you want.
And then I say what to Brian? You know that I love him so much. Aside Dikachi being below my class, I do not have any iota of love for him.
Well, I know. I understand. You have come of age. And I cannot tell you who to marry. But let it be known that I did not overlook the request of a dying man who made us what we are.
Don't worry. If Daddy refuses to help him, I will assist him. Okay? You worry too much.
You see this one where I go for that house. Now it be final. I no go that house at all. Imagine the insult. Imenu. For what now? They don't insult me now.
But
when they hear Imenu now, they don't insult me for waiting now.
I've told you this thing before. Forget about them and move on with your life. Dikachi.
Now then tell me make I come. Nine they vex me. Now then tell me make I come. I come money no give me. Nothing. Insult me to
Do you know what? You insulted yourself.
I no insult the way you tell me make I come.
You like to be insulted. See, let me tell you one thing that you don't know. I've told you countless times to leave them alone. But you refused. They see you as a useless man. If you don't know it today. See, let me tell you. Life is prone to change. And change is constant. They don't know that. Just calm down. Move on with your life. Move on.
Because na money. You see, me, I say, I go save money. Carry enter night bus, you go city, go back, you go the hustle.
That's the spirit.
Make I make their money, come back. Make I know.
Okay. That is the spirit. Move on with your life. No, you don't necessarily there. But one more. Forget about these people. And move on with your life. Forget about them, my brother.
Rane? Your clothes is fine, you.
Thank you. I went for a job interview.
What have you? Okay, I'll take go now.
It didn't go well.
Yeah. Make you no worry. If you no work today, tomorrow you go work.
It's okay. So how are you now? Where are you going to?
I want to go supply my Zupo fish.
Okay. Alright, take care. I'll be going.
Make you take and then make you no worry. Say I go bring fish, come for him, yeah?
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Wow, I have never had it this sweet all my life. I swear I won't let anybody come close to her. I can kill to make her mine. I'm locked up with you forever. You're super sweet.
It is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty pros illiterate.
Hey, my brother. My friend, how are you?
Who are you?
You're the Kachai girls?
Adikachi.
Okay, fine. I'm here to help you. Okay? I'm here to help you because I know you need help. I heard Flora was betrothed to you, right?
Okay.
You're going to lose Flora now. You will lose her to me because she is my woman. Okay? So I don't want you close to her again all your life. But I do not want you to lose all. The reason I'm here to compensate you. I'm here to give you this. Take this, my brother. Use it to console yourself.
Who opened gate for you?
The gate was open. Any problem? You don't want the money? Huh?
You see, that thing they say, clothes, they cover shame. Clothes, they cover mad person. You know, say, as you come to me, you walk. You walk. I think say you sense day. I don't know saying sense. Your sense it dey leak like my basket. As you wear white, they come, they walk out small.
What?
Huh? You know say you no get sense.
How they insult me? Are you okay?
Go catch you like fish. You dey mad?
Hey, stop it. If you dare try this, you will rot in jail all your life. I will lock you up forever. Did you hear what I said? Don't dare try it.
I thought you have sense, you. I thought you have sense. Don't go.
Hey, stop it. I'm here to help.
Get out.
I'm here to help you, but you said you don't want the money. No problem. I do not want to see you anywhere close to Flora again. All your life. If I see you anywhere close to her, I will kill you alive and I'm serious about it.
Don't fire you there. Can you imagine that? No problem. I no blame you. I no blame you. Now my gate where no get padlock. Can you give me money? This boy don't insult me.
Dikachi, why were you this aggressive? I've not seen you like this before. Can you name?
If you hear the potato boy talk for here, you go use this your big head in order for nose.
You can't tell me they take nonsense. Now make I won't use that my hook am for neck. Talk rubbish for my front. You no fear, oh. You no fear.
Just listen to yourself. What happened to the gentle Dikachi that I used to know? In Afuni?
Now life he teach me to be rugged, yo. If waiting life he teach me, eh? If you be me, you go rugged. You go rugged. Somebody do something not than like cow. Somebody do something you bite them like a dog.
See, Dikachi, just calm down.
Talk rubbish.
Calm down. Look at you. You are turning to a sadist, so if you don't know, you are turning to a sadist. Calm down before people will now make you to look as like what you are not. Please.
If you say make I no go return leg, I go stay. I no go return leg. But if you come for this house again, open my gate, you enter here.
Okay. Just calm down. Calm down, my guy.
You go there here, you go hear the headline. What I go do am?
You will not do anything. Just calm down. Look at you.
Hey, babe.
Yes, babe.
Who was that?
Oh, he's an old-time friend. We used to be classmates in secondary school. Okay. He normally comes to pay me a visit. But to my greatest surprise, he came this time saying he wants to marry me. I was so surprised.
He wants to marry you?
I'm telling you. Yeah, I was so surprised.
I see. Your mom is around, your dad is around, right?
Yeah, they're in.
Okay. Can you come in? Let's go inside. I want to pay your bride price now.
So sudden?
Oh, yes. They want to marry you. All of them are coming for your hand in marriage. I won't allow them. I will pay your bride price today.
Okay, just hold so they open the gate for you.
I say Alpha.
Who are you? And how can I help you?
Hey. I don't want to go physical with you because I've not warned you. I want to give you a last warning now. Stay off my wife. Else, I will scale you alive. And you will see it. I will scale you and you will die.
Who the hell are you?
Oh, you don't know who I am? You know Flora, right?
No.
Flora is my woman. Flora is my wife. Stay off her for peace to reign. Except you want to die.
You are very stupid. I should be the one to warn you to stay far away from her. Look, I love Flora so much and I want to spend the rest of my life with her. Not even you can stop me.
I cannot do this. This I cannot do. This I cannot do. This I cannot do. Whatever you know. I don't need to be there. That is the word. That is the word. You are killed somebody. You are killed somebody. What is all this now? Eh? Guy, you get straight. No, see.
God, why do you believe in violence so much? Huh? You picked up that guy until he fainted and you still carried him to the hospital.
That serves him right. Did you hear what I said? That serves him right. Next time when he sees my woman, he will run far away from her.
Guy, what is wrong with you? You don't express your love for a woman with anger. I just pray you don't become a wife beater when you finally marry her.
Why will you say a thing like that? Huh? You know I cannot hit my woman. I will not dare it. I will not hate my queen, my beautiful one. I will like it. I will not try it at
That
all.
is how it always starts. You have to deal with your anger first. Else, I'm afraid.
Kelvin, you do not need to be afraid of anything. Swallow your fears, because I will have one of the sweetest, smooth, and loving marriage ever. Did you hear what I said? But for now, whoever that comes close to my woman will pay dearly. I'm serious about it. Did you hear what I said?
You have to take it easy. You have to take it easy. What kind of a man is this? Eh?
My brother, make you look fish where they say give you now.
This one, how much last?
2,000.
No.
This one. This one I go give you this one 1.5. Make you check the fish now. If you use this fish to cook open salad, you gonna say no be that.
The amount of market.
Yes. Not the amount of market. Everybody for here know me say my fish you know the cost.
In the cost.
You know the cost. So.
Say this on 1,000.
I ya make you collect am 1.5 now.
You know what? Tell the 2.5.
Yes,
2.25. You be
2.5.
thief. You see you thief. You want big fish like this. You know well.
Hey. How are you?
Are they okay? What happen?
Oh, sorry about that. Here. Take it, okay? You can do anything you want with the money.
Wait me that. I have this guy. Wait. Collect, I don't need your money.
Trust me, it's from my heart. It's from my heart. Please just take it.
Make you hold your money for your heart. I don't need your money. Come, you buy your, you know they buy, you make a go. What buy? Come, we they buy for you, but you know what? I go cut you like this. Step off now. Please, step off. They can't give me money.
Mama, I've dropped the fish. Thank you so much for the fish.
Thank God. Papa, make you help me call Papa.
He went for a meeting.
Meeting?
Yes.
Let me get you something to drink.
No. I thank you. Papa is saying he come, say he get, he want me and I talk. So as he know day, make I go come back.
Okay.
I go come back.
I'll tell him you.
Oh, no problem.
Let me see you all then.
See off. Now, if Mama say yes, now.
See him off. But you must not take forever to come back. You know your father.
Mama, I'll be back before you know it.
You don't take forever.
It is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty prosiliterate yo. While a day, mana o mebu mo benye takwana efine welodo. Neno wanana chia na chimbo yinjia. Ay, person we no go school na pokwancha nanya.
Who born Kenny?
He's my son.
Chineke God, you don't married?
I had him out of wedlock.
Yeah.
It's okay, I don't regret it. So you want to leave me here and travel?
How will I cope without you here?
Baby, I swear I'll never forget you. You know I love you so much.
Once you get there now and start mingling with all these white women, you'll forget about me.
Baby, I don't know how to explain this to you. Baby, you know I will not forget you. You know I love you so much. I mean, you are my all. You deserve to be taken care of. Can't you feel it? You are an egg. You're an eagle, baby. You need to be taken care of. You deserve it. Now, how can I take care of you with my current financial status? It will be difficult. That's why I want to go and make money for us.
I know this is a great opportunity. But the fact still remains that if you get there, you're going to forget about me. That's the simple truth.
Baby, look at me. I love you so much. I swear, I will never forget you, no matter what.
I let him that day. And the next day he traveled. I didn't see him again.
You know call you for phone. You know call him for phone.
We were talking on phone till I told him I was pregnant.
He can't run.
He said it's not his.
Ah!
That I should abort the child or he will stop talking to me. And that's what he did.
Ah, that he no good. You no good. You see the boy, you don't grow finish. Yeah? Pikin where people they find and he tell him say he get pikin, they run. You no good at all. Huh?
I really loved him. I loved him so much. But then he treated me like this.
They don't do. Eh? The God will bring them, go bring another person. Another person will go give you the love where you find. Don't do.
It's okay.
Don't do. Don't do.
Thank you.
No, you don't do for here. I think they go make you they go house.
Are you sure you're okay?
I think okay for you.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Make it not think again, you.
No, it's fine.
Whose bag is this? Don't make me believe the impossible. Whose bag is this? Flora, answer me before I go mad. Whose bag is this?
It's mine.
I understand. The bag belongs to you. I'm talking about the content. The content inside the bag. Hard drugs inside the bag. How come about it? Who owns it? Who owns the drugs?